Good Friday morning, and thanks for logging on to tdsweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Ohio forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into mainly the upper 50s to low 60s. You can see a few outlying middle 50s out there, back out towards Mansfield and Marion. But for the rest of us here, we're a bit warmer. Seeing some rain showers down towards Zanesville, Lancaster, Athens. But most of us are dry here this morning as we work into the next couple of hours. Going into 8 a.m., you can see most of your rain showers here this morning are probably going to be back out into southeastern and eastern portions of the state and are going to be pretty spotty and light, so most of us will remain dry. And those may continue as late as 9 to 10 a.m. in some locations before they come to an end. What we will see is actually some clearing here across the state this morning into midday. And we'll see some sunshine out there. Should really be a pretty decent day of weather. It won't be as warm as what we've been seeing, but nonetheless, still pretty nice. As we go on into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 p.m., you can see dry weather still in place. We will see some clouds increasing here late afternoon, more into the evening hours. Excuse me. And as we go on into 7 and 8 p.m., you can see a few isolated showers out to the west. These will start to increase in coverage a bit as we go into 9 and 10 o'clock out across western portions of the state. So places back out towards Dayton, Cincinnati, back up towards Van Wert, Toledo. You guys will start to see some showers as we work on into the evening hours. And those continue off to the east as we work towards 10, 11 o'clock and midnight here. And I think probably as you work towards midnight, 1 a.m., we're seeing showers for places like Sandusky, Mansfield, Columbus, probably ending with the rainfall into far western portions of the state at this point. And then as you go into 2 and 3 a.m., we're seeing more rain shower chances back out to Cleveland, Akron, down towards Worcester and Canton, places out towards Columbus, Sandusky. You guys' rainfall chances are ending by 2 to 3 a.m. And then as you go into 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, probably by 6 to 7 a.m., most of the rainfall chances across eastern portions of the state will end as well. What we see this evening into the overnight will be pretty light. I don't think we're going to see any kind of real heavy rainfall from that. The focus for some heavier precipitation will be out across kind of the primary lake effect snow area into northeastern Ohio. So portions of Cuyahoga County, Geauga County, Lake, Ashtabula counties. You guys will see rainfall, lake effect rain showers starting late tonight into tomorrow morning, and this is by 8 a.m. And as we continue into 9, 10, 11 o'clock into noon, you can see those lake effect rain showers remaining up into northeastern portions of the state, perhaps even spreading down into portions of like Summit, Medina, Trumbull counties. And you can see the rest of us are pretty dry, at least on into midday. Now, as we start to work into 2, 3, 4 o'clock, we see some daytime heating. So some isolated to scattered rain showers across the rest of Ohio, especially given that we're pulling in some additional moisture from Lake Michigan tomorrow, will be possible. And you're still dealing with, the lake effect rain showers out into northeastern Ohio tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening as well. And you can see by 5, 6, 7 p.m., we're seeing those scattered showers across the state here tomorrow. And as we go into 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, the showers that are driven by the daytime heating as we work into tomorrow evening fizzle out, but the showers that are being caused by the moisture off of the lake here into northeastern portions of the state are still ongoing tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and as we work on into Sunday morning. And really for northeastern Ohio, you guys could be kind of unsettled as we work on through pretty much the entirety of the weekend into early next week. So through Sunday morning into midday Sunday, you're still seeing rain showers out there into the Cleveland area, back out towards Youngstown, back up into Ashtabula, those areas. And we continue Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. And you can see as we work on into Sunday evening, there's another wave coming on through. So perhaps a few more showers down into central and southern portions of Ohio Sunday evening, Sunday night, while we're still seeing lake effect rain showers to the northeast. And you can see as we work Sunday night to Monday, we're still pretty unsettled across the state, and that's all thanks to this upper level low. Probably not seeing, for most of us, we're not going to see a lot of heavy rainfall. This is on through tomorrow evening. Most places seeing a quarter inch or less of precipitation into the next 36 hours. The place that could see a more widespread half inch to up to an inch of rainfall is back out into northeastern portions of the state, into the primary lake effect areas. And if we continue this kind of on through the weekend into the start of next week, you can see there's some places out there into northeastern Cuyahoga County, northern portions of Geauga, Lake, Ashtabula counties that could see a more widespread 1.5 inches to maybe 1 3/4 of rain by the time things really kind of start to taper off on Monday. And so there will be some heavier precipitation out there. Temperatures today, upper 60s to low 70s in a lot of locations, maybe a few mid 60s back out to the west. So, it's not going to be too bad, especially when you factor in that there'll be sunshine out there. And then we work into the overnight hours tonight and go into tomorrow morning. Most of us into low to mid 50s, but there will probably be some outlying upper 30s. And then we get into the daytime hours tomorrow, a much cooler day for Saturday, low to mid 50s for most locations, maybe some upper 50s down closer to the Ohio River. And as we have a look at the next 7 days for Cleveland, you can see rain shower chances, at least minor ones, all the way through Monday, 72 today, and then 57 tomorrow, 53 Sunday, 54 Monday, 56 Tuesday, 61 on Wednesday, and 64 on Thursday. And we have a look at Cincinnati. You can see they're drier. 71 on Friday, 59 on Saturday, 58 Sunday, rain chances on Monday, and 63. 61 Tuesday, back to 70 on Wednesday, and 73 on Thursday, with additional rainfall chances as another trough moves in towards the end of next week. That's all I have for you this morning. Thanks for logging on.